Oh God. Uh, 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 he punched me with lightning speed so much. I will get him back. Lightning Bear, I'll come for you next time. I hope he just disappeared. It's time to go fight some more. Okay. I haven't get any signs from Lightning Bear. There is no signs from Lightning Bear. No. This is not possible. No, this can't be. Yeah, that's right. It's me, the Red Robot. Now, it's time for you to die. No, this is impossible. I literally killed you in season 1, like episode 5 or something. Well, it looks like your mission was failed. Now it's time to get punched. Oh, owie, ow. You're gonna pay for it now. Yeah, I maybe. Well, how about 2? This isn't over. You're lucky. I have to go. Who was that? That was my brother. He's going to get a gun to shoot you. Oh no, there's no way. You're lucky that I have to go pick up Lightning Bear, right? A Lightning Bear? He thought he could took me down, but he really can't. Yeah, we all maybe know that. Jesus. What the heck? It's Speedy Jack, my sidekick. Oh, did someone kidnap him or something? I'm just gonna wait right here. Lightning Bear, there you are. Oh, hey Waywing. What are you doing? I'm out here. I am basically, I was looking around for you. Well, we better hurry up and get out of here, because the bad guys might come here. It says it's not safe here. Okay, Lightning Bear. Whatever you say. You can go far away. Okay, I'm Lightning Bear! See you later, Lightning Bear. I can't believe he killed all of my bad guys. I need the hand puppet to come over here now. Yes, me. Now, boss. What you want? Can you see? I'm trying to, trying to defeat Lightning Bear here. Well, as you could see, I am trying to get a plan on to set our focus on Lightning Bear. Me, I wanted to do that too. Make sure we do it. Okay. I was trying to work for your henchmen, and they died because Lightning Bear punched them so fast that they disappeared. So we all need to work up a plan and kill them. All right. First, we will kill Waylon. Okay, sounds like a good idea. Let's do it. Oh man, I have no idea what's going on. I'm walking down a sketchy, icky grass thing. I do not like it. Is that a sock? Alright, did you set up that sticky, poisonous sock plan? Yeah, Purity. I checked the security footage, and Waylon is not that one. So now we can get him, okay? Okay, we can get him now. Come on, let's do it. Let's go see if he's dead, okay? Man, you said that he was dead, and now you're gonna say, let's go see if he's dead. Man, don't stress me like that, boss. Let's just go look. Okay, I'm coming. It looks like it actually worked. It looks like he is actually knocked out again. Yeah, that's right, boss. I'll put the camera on him for this episode. That's good. Now, let's take him to our lake. Okay, let's take him. Okay, I got him in the cage. Now, I have another mission for you. If you don't complete it, I'm going to kill you. So the mission is, I want you to go out and find Lightning Bear so you can kill him. Yes, boss. I will go do it. Yes, ma'am. Next time, don't smack my face. It's you, Chucky. All right, let's do it. Come on, we'll fight some more. You want to go? You want to go? I think I just got a notification. Oh yeah, it's just my TikTok account. Yeah, I heard that. Dunno. So, let's fight some more. All right, let's go. Come on.